How to invert screen colors on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to invert screen colors on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. With iOS accessibility features for the display, you can enlarge your text, make it bold, increase contrast, apply color filters, use Smart Invert, control audio brightness, and more. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further tap on the accessibility option. In the interface that you will be led to, under the Vision tab, go ahead and select the display and text size option. You will see various options. Scroll down and firstly toggle on the button for Smart Invert. Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. Next, in Settings itself, toggle on the button for Classic Invert. Classic Invert reverses the colors of the display, and this is how you can invert screen colors on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.